Mr. Williams? Mr. Williams? Keyshawn Williams?
All right. Abdul Watkins. Oh, no, let me bring him in. Mr. Watkins, unmute yourself for me. You know how to do that? You were earlier. You see me asking you to unmute?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. Abdul
right.
Wilkins.
I know. Now calling the matter of the people versus Abdul Wilkins. This is ticket SP 1393512. This is one count, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ben Wordwing, P64889, on behalf of the defendant. Sir, could you state your name, please, for the record?
Abdul Wilkins.
Judge, we're just, we wanted to enter a not guilty plea, request a pretrial date.
Okay. All right. This time the court's going to enter a plea of not guilty on behalf of your client. Sir, come back and see me this at 8:30 on September 19th. Okay. September 19th at 8:30 a.m. September 19th. Okay.
Okay, September 19th.
Yes. All right. If there's nothing further, you're all set. Okay.
Okay, what time?
At 8:30 a.m.
8:30.
Yep, on September
Thank
19th. You're welcome.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Norman West is coming in. Norman West.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Stop walking for a minute. Get to a spot for me, okay?
Yes.
All right. Now calling the matters of the people versus Norman West. This is ticket SP 1282689. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, drive unregistered motor vehicle. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Also calling ticket number SP 131533101, drove while license suspended. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel.
And good morning, Your Honor. Ben Wordwing, P64889, on behalf of the defendant. Sir, could you state your name for the record, please?
Norman West.
And Judge, this is a date and time set for an arraignment. We'd wait for him a reading. We'll stand mute at this time, Judge.
All right. At this time, the court's going to set aside the bench warrants, enter a plea of not guilty on behalf of your client. How are we proceeding?
Thank you, Judge. We're requesting a pretrial date, Your Honor.
All right. I'm going to set these matters for a pretrial on the date of September 19th, sir. September 19th at 8:30 a.m. Not at the time you signed in today at 10, at 8:30 a.m. Okay, sir?
Yes, ma'am. I work midnight, so I'm sorry about that.
I figured as much. Sometimes y'all gotta get it. So try your hardest to stay up. I know it's tough after you get off that shift, but try your hardest to stay up so that you can come to court in the morning, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, there's nothing further. Bond set at $0. I'll see you on September the 19th at 8:30 a.m., okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Uh-oh. Attorney Falk now. Oh, where's stuff? You all right? Mr. White? Mr. Whitfield, sorry.
Yeah.
You go ahead, come forward. I'm gonna need you. I'd like to have you closer to the box. Over here, she could be able to hear.
Okay.
That green box on the wall. You see it? It's right here on the right-hand side. Keep going.
Oh, right there?
There we go. Yes, all right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Julius Romeo Whitfield. This is ticket SP 1432125. One count drove while license not valid or improper. Also calling ticket number SP 1432089. One count improper lane use. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please. I think Attorney Faulkner spoke to him.
Well, I'm to represent the defendant who's getting housework done in the, okay, stop for a minute. They're tearing my walls up.
Okay, cool.
Your Honor,
Sorry.
my client pleads not guilty, requesting a bench trial date.
All right, sir, can you state your name for the record, please?
Julius Whitfield.
No, Mr. Whitfield, if you say it loud, I just told you to come close to the mic so they can hear.
Julius Whitfield.
Thank you. Sir, can you raise your right hand for me? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, sir. Did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Faulkner about your case and about your rights? That was the guy on the screen.
Yes, ma'am.
And it's my understanding you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before me as the trier and finder of facts. Is that correct, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. I'm going to set it for a bench trial date on October the 3rd. Sir, this is via Zoom unless you would like to physically come down here. Do you physically want to come down here or do you want it via Zoom?
Zoom, I guess, whatever.
Zoom
works
court,
for you.
whatever. Mr. Whitfield, I'm asking you because you came down here today, so I didn't know if you came down because you're not good with technology and you want to do it that way, or if you came down.
I didn't know that I had an option.
You didn't know you had an option. Okay, we're gonna do it via Zoom. I want you to get my Zoom information for court before you leave today, so that you can have it, so that you can return back for your bench trial on October the 3rd via Zoom, so you don't have to come down here on that day, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
I'll set your bond at $0 personal, and we'll see you back October 3rd, 9 a.m. for your bench trial, okay?
Thank you.
All right, there's nothing further. You're all set. Thank you so much today. All right.
Can I ask you a question off the record?
Okay. We need him. Yeah, where you at? No, no. Oh, you already, you left? You, okay, let me.
Yes.
Attorney Jefferson, you ready on your matter?
Yes, I am, Judge. We just setting them off a trial.
Okay, and Attorney Cole, you've already spoken to her as well?
Yes.
Yes, Your Honor, I have, and I think this is a matter we'll probably be able to resolve.
But y'all need a trial. Okay, cool. Mr. Keyshawn Williams, can you hear me?
Yes.
All right, turn on your camera for me, sir, okay? All right, you're not driving, are you?
Not anymore, no.
Okay, now calling the matter of People versus Keyshawn Williams. This is ticket number SP 1447940. Count one is a drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Count two is expired plates. Count three, failed to disclose to officer that he or she has a carrying and concealed license. Also calling tickets number SP 1447943. Count one, drove through private or private property or alley to avoid signal. Count 2 of that ticket is use loudspeaker without permission or unreasonable noise. And and ticket number SP 144798111, 1 count disregard officer signal. Appearances for the record, starting with council, please.
Paula Cole on behalf of the people, P31888.
Good morning, Your Honor. Thomasine Jefferson on behalf of Keyshawn Williams, P42872 on all matters.
And Mr. Williams, your name for the
Keyshawn
record,
Williams.
please. Mr. Williams, if you were in court today, is that how you will be sitting for me?
No, I'm sorry. Keyshawn Williams.
All right. This is the date and time set for I think it's a show cause on some of these, but some of these are pre-trials. How are we standing your client today, Attorney Jefferson?
You know, as to the show, cause we waive for him reading and stand muted. And we would ask the court to set that as for hearing as well.
All
Because
right.
I believe we
This
didn't
time-
have the date.
Okay. At this time, the court is going to enter a plea of not guilty for your client on all of these matters. My next date for bench trials is October the 3rd. Are you available that day, Attorney Jefferson?
You don't have anything sooner than that?
Let me see. Hold on a minute. Look at. What about September 1st?
September 1st. That works for me.
Let me see.
Okay.
Yes,
let me
Judge,
call-
that works for me.
Okay, let's do September 1st. That's the closest. It has to be at least 4 weeks out. And then I got a week off in between. So that's the soonest I can get you in.
What time, Judge?
It's gonna be at 9 a.m.
Okay,
Will
that
that
works.
be, will that be live, Judge?
via Zoom, unless you need it to be live.
No, that works.
Does anybody need it to be live?
No, I just was wondering,
No,
I
Keyshawn,
would
does that work for you? I'm sorry.
That's the soonest we can get. Like we
Yes.
can.
Yes.
It has to
Yeah.
at least be 4 weeks, Mr. Williams, so I have to at least have it 4 weeks out, and the court is not available on the 20.
Oh, okay. So nothing's getting resolved today.
No.
Hold on, let me see, to August 21st. I may not, because I know I'm packed in August. Oh, 9 trials? What about August 21st? Does that work, Attorney Jeff? Is that 4 weeks from now? Let's make sure. Yes. What about August 21st, Attorney Cole?
that would work for me, but,
I can make that
Alexis-
work.
Alexa Snyder has I only have 1 count. She has the prior, make most of the counts on this. I only have 1 out of all these tickets.
Now,
So I
Attorney
don't-
Jefferson, you said you can make it work. Is the first better? Because if the first is better for you.
Oh, no, Judge, I can make that. That'll be fine.
Okay, August 21st, that's the soonest I can do it. I can't do it any sooner than that.
Thank you.
You're very welcome.
Attorney Jefferson, you mentioned that you might have a video. If you could email that to me if you have
I'll
a
see.
video.
I'll
Thank
see.
you.
Thank you. Thank you,
Alright.
Judge. Is that it? Is that everything?
Well, if that's it, the bond will be set at $0 personal. I'll see you back that time. Mr. Williams, I'm doing you something by moving it up. My trial dates are in October right now, okay? So I need you
Thank-
to make sure you're okay with it, all right?
Yes, thank
Thank you,
you.
Judge.
Welcome. All right, 9 a.m. I'll see everybody on October the 21st at 9 a.m. for a bench trial. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome, okay? Have a good day.
All righty.
Has everyone else been spoken to? Am I good to close out the breakout rooms and bring everybody else in or no?
I believe so, Your Honor.
Okay. I'm just leave them all in here too.
Oh, are there a lot more remaining
No,
in the
it's just
breakout?
3. It's just 3 people.
Oh,
That's
I
why
don't
I'm
know.
like, let me bring them out.
Okay.
Ms. Woodget?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now calling the matter of People versus Ashley Woodget. This is ticket number SP 1347814. This is 1 count ride, motor vehicle, motorcycle, moped on sidewalk. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. I don't know if the rest of the tickets made the docket today, but appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Judge Ben Werbling, P64889, on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor. Your name for the record, miss?
Ashley Woodget.
Judge, I don't know if Mr. Faulkner had spoken with her.
Attorney
I did
Faulkner?
not, I did not speak to her.
Okay, all right.
All right, Ms. Woodget, nobody spoke to you?
No.
Okay, let me recreate. Okay. All right, Ms. Woodget, we're gonna put you in room number 1. Can someone go in there and talk to her? I don't know.
I'll go speak to her, Judge.
Thank you. Attorney Faulkner, do you have Vanessa Walker or Marcel Wilkins? I don't know.
Let's see, which one's your honor?
Vanessa Walker or Marcel Watkins, I'm sorry.
Let's see, would you?
No?
You have to repeat the names, your honor. I don't see them on here.
No problem. Vanessa Walker or
Vanessa Walker,
Marcel?
okay. Vanessa Walker is not guilty.
Is that your case or no?
Yes.
Okay. Ms. Walker?
Yes, ma'am.
Now calling the matter of the People versus Vanessa Chantel Walker. This is ticket SP 1434548. 1 count expired plate. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Paul Faulkner, representative of the defendant. Your name, ma'am?
Vanessa Walker.
Your Honor, I believe my client wishes to continue her plea of not guilty, requesting a bench trial date.
All right. Is that correct, Ms. Walker?
Yes, it is.
Can you please raise your right hand for me?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to
Okay.
Attorney Faulkner about your case and about your rights?
No, I did not.
Did you talk to anyone about your case and about your rights?
Oh, yes, I did. I'm sorry, I couldn't hear you. I'm at work. Yeah, yes, ma'am. I spoke
okay.
to my attorney.
All right, and it's my understanding you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before me as a trier and finder of facts. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I'm going to schedule it for October the 3rd. October the 3rd at 9 a.m. via Zoom. Now, ma'am, for the next hearing, though, I have to be able to see you. So you got to sign in where I can see you.
Yes, ma'am. It was just my phone. Yeah, my phone. Something's wrong with my phone.
Okay, cool. So for that next one, I'll see you. Cool. October 3rd, 9 a.m. I'll set your bond at $0 personal, okay?
Okay.
All right. Have a good day, ma'am.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. All right. Bye-bye. Did you have Mr. Wilkins, Marcel Wilkins, or no?
Yes.
Okay. Mr. Wilkins, unmute yourself for me, please.
Can you hear me, Your Honor?
I can hear you now.
Okay, yes, my name is Marcel Wilkins. How are you this morning?
I'm good, thank you. I'm gonna call your case, okay?
Okay.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Marcel Michael Wilkins. This is ticket SP 1303495. Count 1, 16 to 20 miles over posted speed. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant. Your name, sir?
Marcel Wilkins.
Yeah, there's an offer that the 16 to 20 would be reduced to 5 or 6 to 10, limited access, the other to be dismissed.
You want to take advantage of that?
Yes.
All right. Counsel, do you stipulate to the four corners of the ticket in order to establish a factual basis?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea to the amended charge of limited access speed, 6 to 10 miles over posted speed. Dismiss without prejudice the other count per stipulation by counsel. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. So the court is going to do that. Sir, the fine for this ticket is $135. Typically, you have 14 days to pay civil infractions. Is that going to be enough time for you?
Yes, I can pay that within 14 days, Your Honor.
All right, so I'm gonna have it due no later than August 7th, 2023, okay?
Okay, now would I go down to the court or how would I pay that? Can I do it over the phone?
You can either physically come down to the court or you can go online to 36districtcourt.org and pay it online.
Okay, I'm just writing that down.
Okay, no problem. 36th District Court.
No, I got it.
Okay, okay.
Thank you.
All right, no problem. All right, wait to pay it, okay? Give us a moment, okay, to put it in the system.
Okay.
All right, thank you.
Is that everything?
That's everything, mister. You're all set. You can log off, okay?
Thank you. You have a good day, Your Honor.
You too, thank you.
Thank you.
Your Honor, was there anyone else you wanted me to talk to?
Nope, that's it. She's
Okay.
it.
Yeah, but okay, not a problem. Thank you, Judge.
Yeah.
So I kind of lost track of what was going on.
No, it's okay. Sometimes it happens. We good.
Yeah.
It's Wooded. I'm gonna call your matter now, okay? Recalling the matter versus Ashley Yvonne Woodard. This is ticket number SP 1347814. Count one, ride motor vehicle, motorcycle, moped on sidewalk. Count two, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ben Werbling, P64889 on behalf of the defendant. Miss, could you say your name, please?
Ashley Woodard.
And Judge, she wants to enter a not guilty plea. She'd waive her jury trial rights. She's requesting a bench trial if that was possible.
All right, Ms. Woodard, you gonna sit up for me real quick? I know you probably been waiting for a while.
It's not that I have cancer, so if I sat up this morning, I got real nauseous.
Okay, all right, I'll let you be there then.
Thank you.
All right, please raise your right hand for me. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
And it's my understanding you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So, I'm gonna set it for the date of October 3rd. October 3rd via Zoom. Attorney Werbling, she got some civil infraction tickets with this. Is there anything you want me to do with them?
Yeah, I'm glad you brought that up, and she did as well. Could we set aside the defaults on those, Judge? We moved for that relief and have them set for the same day in the future.
All right. The court will do that. I'll ask to set aside. I'll grant that motion, set aside default, and we'll put everything on the same day of October 3rd, 2023. Ma'am, it's gonna be at 9 a.m. via Zoom. I'll set your bond at $0 personal. I hope you feel better, okay?
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. All right, I'll see you then, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Your
You're
Honor.
welcome. Bye-bye. And that's this morning's traffic.
Thank you, Your Honor.